Hi guys, and welcome to yet another interesting video. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin soup. Over here I'm in the garden. I'm showing you our bananas. They look nice. So I'm here to collect the pumpkins. They are at the shamba and my mom has covered them with these leaves. This covering of the pumpkins with leaves is a traditional practice that serves several purposes, like preventing them from sunburn. Another reason is preventing them from drying, and another one is preventing them from premature hardening. So as you can see, they look really nice. They are not dry and they have not burnt. So that is everything prepared. I have prepared carrots, I have capsicum, the green one, I have 2 chopped tomatoes, I also have milk, and then I have 2 onions, that is 1 red onion and 1 white onion. And our main ingredient is pumpkin, of course, and it looks so good. The color is very rich, very rich. So let's proceed to the next step. On our sufuria, we'll heat our oil and add our chopped onions, the white and the red onion. That is an up close of how they look. So we are going to saute this until fragrant, and when they have this rich color, the golden brown color, we are going to add our tomatoes. So stir this very well, and then you add your spices. That is salt. I added salt. I also added black pepper, cumin, and paprika. I've stirred this several times. So I want these tomatoes to be very soft. When they are soft enough, you add in your carrots and capsicum. You stir for 2 to 3 minutes. And now we are going to add our pumpkin. We stir this very well for everything to incorporate well. As you can see, they look very good. And then we are going to add about 3 cups of water, enough to cover the pumpkins. The next step is we are going to cover this. Let it simmer for 25 minutes or until the pumpkins are very soft. So our pumpkins have cooked very well. The next step is you're going to add this in your blender jar. You can let it cool slightly. So we are going to blend this until the mixture is very smooth. So our mixture is there, very smooth. It looks very good. So at this point we can add in our milk. I like adding it right here, and then I blend again instead of taking it back to the sufuria and adding our milk. The milk is boiled. So that is after I have blended everything together with the milk. And then I served this hot with rice and pan-fried vegetables. So guys, you can cook this for your family. I know they will enjoy. The pumpkin soup is very delicious as it looks. You can see it looks so good, so smooth. So until my next one, it is bye bye.